She's starting to look evil now. The old Border. Been trying out some different things on it, sort of thing. So I got some new kind of dust, but that'll be, you know, blended a bit more with some darker burnt umber I've got. I'll show you underneath. See all that dust layer I've laid down? So there'll be another layer going over the top of that. So I just gotta let it dry first. So it's experimental time with the Border, with some just new weathering techniques I'm just trying out. But yeah, she's starting to look pretty evil, I reckon. Pretty damn evil. It's a nice tank by Border, it really is. Alright, there you go guys. That's it. Thanks.